Hi viewers, welcome to Full of Chemistry. Let's start the video. Question number 41. The ion exchange resin are usually mixed with a compound which prevent the resin from swelling is. The answer is option C, divinyl benzene. Styrene and divinyl benzene react to form copolymer styrene divinyl benzene. The resulting cross-linked polymer is mainly used for the production of ion exchange resin. An ion exchange resin is a resin that acts as a medium for ion exchange. It is an insoluble matrix in the form of small microbeads. Cross-linking is introduced by copolymerization of styrene and a few percent of divinyl benzene. This cross-linking decreases ion exchange capacity of the resin and prolongs the time needed to accomplish the ion exchange processes but improves the robustness of the resin. Question number 42. Which of the following conformer of cyclohexane is more stable? The answer is option A, chair form. The stability order is chair, twist, board, half chair. 43. Which photochemical reaction involves the formation of oxetane? The answer is option D, Paterno-Bucci reaction. It is a reaction between carbonyl compound and alkane. Norris type 1 reaction is the photochemical cleavage of aldehyde and ketone into two free radical intermediates. Barton reaction involves the photolysis of an alkyl nitride to form a delta nitroso alcohol. Question number 44. An ionization suppressant element used in Auger electron spectroscopy is. The answer is option A, sodium. Auger spectroscopy can be considered as involving three basic steps: atomic ionization, electron emission, and analysis of emitted Auger electrons. Question number 45. Mons process makes use of the formation of. The answer is option D, nickel tetracarbonyl. It is a technique to extract and purify nickel. This process has three steps. Nickel oxide reacts with the syngas at 200 degrees Celsius to give nickel together with impurities including iron and cobalt. The impure nickel reacts with the carbon monoxide to form the gas nickel carbonyl, leaving the impurities as solids. The mixture of nickel carbonyl and syngas is heated to 220 degrees Celsius, resulting in the decomposition back to nickel and carbon monoxide. Question number 46. The coordination number in the ionic solid sodium chloride and cesium chloride respectively are. The answer is option C, 6 and 8. In the table we can see the radius ratios corresponding to different coordination number 3, 4, 6, 8, having the structures plain triangular, tetrahedral, octahedral and cubic respectively. Study these radius ratios with the examples. Question number 47. The temperature at which conductivity of a superconductor becomes infinite is called. The answer is option A, critical temperature. Curie point is the temperature above which certain material lose their permanent magnetic properties, which can be replaced by induced magnetism. Absolute temperature, also called thermodynamic temperature, is the temperature of an object on a scale where 0 is taken as absolute zero. Debye temperature is the temperature of a crystal's highest normal mode of vibration, that is the highest temperature that can be achieved due to a single normal vibration. Question number 48. The values of energy for which Schrodinger's steady state equation can be solved are called. The answer is option C, eigenvalues. The eigenvalue equation is H cap psi is equal to E psi. H cap is the Hamiltonian operator, psi is the wave function. Question number 49. In comparison to the frequency of EPR transition, the NMR transition frequency is. The answer is option B, much lower. The electromagnetic radiation used in NMR is confined to the radio frequency range between 300 and 1000 MHz, whereas EPR is typically performed using microwaves in the 3 to 400 GHz range. Last question in this video. The particle which obeys Bose-Einstein statistics is. The answer is option C, graviton. Graviton is a hypothetical quantum of gravitational energy regarded as a particle. Bose-Einstein statistics describe one of two possible ways in which a collection of non-interacting indistinguishable particles may occupy a set of available discrete energy states at thermodynamic equilibrium. Fermi-Dirac statistics is a type of quantum statistics used to describe systems of fermions. Thank you. See you again. Remember that some date is April 13, so study well.